Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Time. This is Chetan and this is live coverage of the MWC 2018 event from Barcelona, and this is the LG V30S Thinq, the upgraded V30 that comes with the voice AI and the vision AI and a smarter camera, although the camera combination is the same that was on the V30. So on the front there's an 18:9 display that comes with a large view, the full view display, and the phone runs Android 8.0.0 Oreo, and on the back you can notice the B&O logo that is for the audio enhancements. There's a dual lens rear camera setup where you see that the secondary camera is for the wide angle lens. On the right is the SIM card slot, on the top is the 3.5mm jack, and on the left are the volume rocker buttons, while the phone has the power button on the back, which is also the fingerprint sensor. So pressing the power button activates the screen for you. Otherwise there's also the always on display with the notifications and the time widget, double tapping on which usually would activate the screen again, similar to how you do it with the power button as well. Now talking about the interface, this is the LG's customized interface that you see on most of the LG smartphones. There are a lot of pre-installed applications, but I'm not sure whether this would be the same on the retail edition as well. This is the settings area of the LG V30S Thinq, where you see the different tabs for network, sound, display and general settings. And here the Android version that is mentioned is Android 8.0.0, that is Android Oreo. And now moving into the memory section, you see that out of 6GB, around 3.3 is used and 2.7 is available for the user most of the time. And this is the 256GB variant, but you'll also have 128GB variant available for in the market. Out of 256, about 14.96 is used, and that is about 240GB that is available for the user. Now in the essentials, there's an HD audio recorder. The entertainment audio and video has always been good with the V series, and that is what LG continues to do with the V30S Thinq as well. There's also Amazon Assistant, which works along with Google Assistant for the voice AI. And this finally is the camera, the smarter camera that has the Q lens and the AI cam. These are the two important features that are given this time. Firstly, let's check out the visual search, which works with Pinterest. Whenever you capture something, it tries to show you similar results which were already present on Pinterest. So here we have a few flowers captured, and you see there are photos from actual users which are similar to this and gives you an understanding of what you're trying to capture. Next is the visual shopping and scan QR code. Visual shopping takes you to the Amazon search, which gives you the search results directly of the products that are available on Amazon. And there is this AI cam, which would give you a live view of whatever you are viewing through the camera of the smartphone. And these are the different modes where you have cine, video, pop out, food mode, snap mode, 360-degree panorama, match shot, as well as the manual mode. And these are the basic settings that you see on the LG V30S Thinq camera. That's the steady recording, video shutter, camera roll, scanning QR code. And finally, let's move to the front facing camera, which is quite a good camera that has the wide selfie mode that would widen the view whenever you try to move to that. So this was all about the LG V30S Thinq, the new smartphone from LG that comes with the smarter cameras that were similar to the V30, but then have the voice AI and the vision AI for better user experience. So stay tuned for more videos from the Mobile World Congress 2018 and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching.